Man, this nigga fucking suck, man. This nigga,
fuck you, nigga.
You suck, nigga. My nigga, every time you garbage, my nigga.
You fucking garbage. I'm about to beat this nigga ass.
All that jump, but you ain't gonna do nothing though.
Man, listen. Run it back. Everything be good. Just run the shit back. Punk ass nigga.
I really ain't gotta do this, man. What other color is that? What it's saying?
Can't find this shit. You try to act a little bitch.
But it's your fault, boo boo.
Nigga, it's your fault, motherfucker.
I live with my mom's, man. I live with my mom's.
Man, listen. Just run it back.
I live with my mom's. What up, man? I ain't got time for that. Watch out, dog.
Hey, man, don't push me now. Real talk.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, what's up, nigga?
Alright, whatever. Alright.
Boom! Told you, boy! I told you!
What you mean you told me?
What I tell you, nigga? I beat your ass in this. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's that?
What's that? We better open this door, boy. I'm not playing with you. Open it now. Nigga, who are you? I don't know you. It's like my twin, though. It's fucking hot in this bitch.
Soldier boy, tell her.
Jump on the track.
Her booty got swag.
Anyway, I'm coming in right now, boy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, nigga. Good.
Go. Buddy.
Oh,
buddy. You alright, man?
Man, I had to jump my twin, man.
Oh, for real?
I got one.
Hell nah.
Fuck, man, nigga, I know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Man, real talk. What the fuck wrong with you, nigga?
Oh, no.
It was just a dream, dog.
Alright, fuck it. Cut.
Alright, let me be asking this game, though.
Whatever, bitch.